mainly used for various kinds of solid objects with regular shape, such as mooncake, muffin cake, bread, fruit pie, biscuits, Swiss roll, sweets, chocolate, pharmaceuticals tools, medicine, daily necessities, hardware, or any other products loaded in box or tray. Speed, 30 to 200 bag per minute. Digital and independent PID temperature controlling, suitable for various packing materials. New type double fin sealing design makes the packaging high efficiency and beauty. Adjustable bag former and pitches enable the change of packing products conveniently.